Join me for glute medius side slides. These are such an awesome way to get glute medius without a ton of TFL, because you can push out from your glute medius instead of picking up your leg, which gives you lots of hip flexor. I want you to think about dropping your tailbone just a little bit and keeping your lower abs engaged. And this is gonna help keep TFL out of that exercise and help you really target those glutes. This is a modified glute medius side plank, so you can still really get a lot of great glute medius here on that bottom leg, but it's a little bit easier because you're not going from that long lever arm. Make sure you keep your rib cage down and in. Reaching can really help you get those abs engaged, and make sure you're tucking your bottom under to make sure your hip flexor isn't holding you. Side planks are such an awesome hidden glute medius exercise. So I want you to think about lifting from that glute medius, squeezing that glute, tucking your bottom under a little bit, and if you want to add a little bit of spice to it, lift that top leg because that is going to increase the load. Make sure you turn toward the floor and really engage those abs. Glute medius wall squats are one of my favorite glute medius exercises. You're gonna place your foot up on the wall. You're not resting it on a chair roll. You're just pushing against the wall. So as you push open with both legs, you're gonna think about sitting down into a squat on that leg, but you're getting extra glute medius because of that abduction pressure that you're adding. Make sure your toes are spread, you're balancing your weight evenly between your foot, you're sitting back into that glute.